The book is in the middle of the table. The car is at the front of the building. The school is at the back of the hospital. The tree is at the edge of the park. The shop is at the corner of the street. The bike is on the side of the road. The cup is on the top of the shelf. The child is standing in the middle of the room. The postbox is at the front of the house. The dog is sleeping at the back of the sofa. The fence is at the edge of the farm. The bench is at the corner of the garden. The ball is lying on the side of the ground. The bag is placed on the top of the cupboard. The statue is in the middle of the roundabout. The bus stop is at the front of the college. The garage is at the back of the bungalow. The river is flowing at the edge of the village. The lamp is kept on the corner of the desk. The ladder is resting on the side of the wall.